Good morning friends, I am Surya Agrawal and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel Gardening is my passion. Today friends, I will be showing you how to grow mints most easily in your home, in your garden, in your terrace garden or in your balcony garden. You can grow. These are the two varieties of mint here. These are the big leaf mints and just I purchased from my market here, and these are the small leaf mint. Mint are the excellent aromatic and they are the aromatic plants and you must grow. They are the very fast growing. I will be telling you how to grow this very fast. And these are the, I have taken some of the vials here. Some of the glasses are here, some bottles are here, and I am showing you how to root them first. Just remove the lower sides of leaves with the help of a scissor. Pair of scissors you can remove here, and from the lower side leaf, remove lower side leaves and dip it into the water. And I am showing you how to dip it in water because you don't need to touch at the base. So these are the lower side leaves I am removing here. These are all the leaves I am reading, and remove the lower side leaves. I am using pair of scissors because it is better to use scissor. Remove the lower leaves, and I will be help it to rooting here so that root can grow from here. Just keep on watching. I am showing you all the details. Just removing after removing all the leaves, I am showing you the details. Thank you. So friends, these are all the bunch I have made here. These are all mint plants, and I have removed the lower side leaves from here and just kept here all the bunch here. And what you need to do is just bind here a stick here and another stick here. Bind with the help of garter. Now I will dip it into the water here. You can see this is the water. I have dipped it here, and this is another made I have made here. You can see this is here. Any kind of glass or vase you want, you can do it. And I am dipping it bottle, full of bottle. This one here, this one, and this one is the bigger size. This you can see, these are all the stems are here, you can see, and I am dipping it here. And I tell you to change the water in 2 to 3 days time. You have to change the water here and keep it here as such, and change the water within 3 days, and within 7 days you will see all the rooting will be done, and then we will be placed in the putting all this. I will grow in the soil medium, and I will show you the fastest growing of mint you can grow in your home easily, and let them root out fast within 7 days. And I will change water in 3 days time, and after that, after the rooting is over, then we will take it out and we will grow it in the soil media. Just keep on watching. They let them and keep them under shade, semi-shade, indirect sunlight. I will be keeping here in indirect sunlight, and after 7 days I will give you all the updates. Thank you very much, and keep on watching. Thanks. Welcome back friends. After 20 days of showing all the plants here, planting in the water only to root out, and these are all the rooting is done in here. And here, as you can see, these are I am taking it out. They are all roots are here. You can see beautiful rooting has done here. So these are all beautiful rooting is done here, and I am showing you here only taking it out. Lots of root here in the bottles. You can grow bottles. One thing I tell you, please change the water every 3rd day or 5th day. And this is here, you can see these are all the rooting is done beautifully. These are all rooting is done. So here, and in a hybrid variety, very little roots are coming out here. You can see these are all small roots are coming out, but not much. But again, within 2 to 3 days, all the rooting will be done here. So these are all. Now I am planting it, showing it how to plant this mint in the fastest way. These are the soil mix. 50% compost or vermicompost or cow dung compost, and 50% dried good quality garden soil. I am filling it out here, filling it up, and rest assured there should be hole at the bottom of the pot. So these are now, and I am giving you all the tricks and tips to grow it in a fastest way, and around the year you can get the leaves of this plants here. Now I am removing all this here, and these are the twigs. I am taking it out. Make a hole here, deep hole, and place the ponds here. These are the roots. Make a 1 inch deep hole here. Remove the garter and all your things here. All the roots should be underground. So friends, now all the plants I have planted here in the soil mix, and now time to water it. And don't water it much, little bit of water, and this is all. And I tell you, these are, you keep it and water it every day. They need water, they need moisture, and the mints love water. So water it every day. The soil should be always moist, and they will grow nice. If you grow in the sides of the tube well or in water sources, that will be grow nice. And now I am showing you, these are the plants I have grown here 20 days back, and they are very nice. And what I have given here, after every day watering, after they are stop watering one day, and these are all cow dung, dried cow dung, and 2 years old cow dung, and dipped here in 7 days back. And these are all, this is the solution here, cow dung liquid, that is dried cow dung liquid, 2 years old. This contains all the gibberellin and the flavic acid and humic acid, and just add it once in 10 days, and you will see the amazing results of this humic acid and flavic acid and the gibberellin here. And you will see. And please prune the plants every 10 days, harvest the seed plants from here every 10 days, and they will bloom again, they will sprout again. So these are all how to grow the mints in a lavish way, immense sizes, and you can get enormous amount of mint, and around the year you can get mint leaves here, and you can grow and use it in your kitchen. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. And if you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I'm going to give you a lot about the various foliage and flowering and plants and all the techniques of growing the plants. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.